Video is for super heavy duty dog cage level 3 for size 36 inch, 43 inch, and 49 inch. We have to open it one by one. Some of them are received with the loose rivets, and we have to add more screw, like around between 30 to 40 pieces of screw, just to eliminate, losing, just to prevent, just in case there's some rivets that loose while tossed from shipping.
Can you talk for me? Maybe it's something better with this one, because it's this
and
one,
especially
for
this
sure.
part, the lock mechanism. If you guys can go ahead and improve it more,
Because
much better, like this one.
all the times is loose for sure.
Some unit came with loose parts. This part. Right now we just don't have a sample. Okay, we have one sample here that came broken before shipping. See, this is gonna be how it looks like when it's broken. So if you guys can go ahead and do more improvement, much better, so it's less problem with less complaint from customer.
The wheel, the back is not good, because sometimes.
Okay, and also this bag, I think the plastic seat lock is not really sturdy, or maybe you guys can go ahead and use a thicker version of this plastic pouch, because once we open it, all the screws and all the wheels are totally all over the cage. We have one sample here. We have another one cage here. As you can see, we'll go ahead and open it for a while so you guys can go ahead and see it. You will notice that the plastic bag is already broken. Why we want to show it to you guys, because this part is one of the cause that the cage get scratches, and our customer is complaining about it. So this is how it looks like. So it's very important that you guys improve the plastic pouch to put all the screws in and the wheels. As you can see, we are trying to set it up and adding zip tie. Are you pulgoso?
Okay, a little more closer.
Okay, right here we're adding a screw. See the original rivets from manufacturer, but once we ship it and customer receive it during toss and turn of shipping, some of them side, this one is our peach.
They just put his mobile for working right here inside.
9.
Ah!
Chingale tú. 11.
The other side? And you check right here, right now the river is
Okay, as you can see, there's one sample.
this two is loose right now.
Oh my god. Okay. As you can see, this one is already busted. And then this one is start to came out. So that's the reason why we're adding screw.
This is the point when the screw's not working good.
16. 17.
Maybe for other side. Okay, this is the old screws you needed. And then okay, the next.
So we're done with the screw, right? Okay, so this is this part is done adding more screws.